Hello bebecitas and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz and I'm so happy to have you here on this beautiful day. Today we are unboxing the monthly Sparkling Co. Dip Powder subscription bag for the month of July. I will leave some information in the description box below in case you're interested. I'm so excited to share this week's message with you all. But before I continue, I want to send a huge Babysitter Shoutout and a message to Tina Delgado. I want to thank you, Tina, for your valued support, and I also want to encourage you to keep working hard on your talents. Big changes are coming your way. All you have to do is trust that God is working behind the scenes, so don't you give up. Have faith that blessings are coming. Embrace the changes and keep putting in the work. For a future Babysitter Shoutout, leave a comment down below and I will randomly choose one of you for a shout out with a message. Also, please take a moment to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, but mostly because I would love to have your support. Especially while we embark on this journey, I want to reach as many little hearts out there as I can and have my messages reach the moon. Okay, now let's begin. I want you to know that you and only you are the master of your own emotions, so don't let drama get in the way. Others may try to tear you down with their negativity and hate, but I encourage you to keep your head in the game. Keep an even temper and don't let them get the best of you. It may be that you don't know how to deal with this drama. It can cause confusion or it can make you upset. The first step is to recognize the negative patterns and then take note of the impact that these patterns create. Go deep within yourself to recognize how they make you feel. Really sink into those feelings and then move forward. Don't cheat by taking the easy way out and sweep these emotions under the rug. This will only cause a temporary fix. I encourage you to stay in your own lane and follow your intuition. Listen to your inner voice and trust that you already have the answers within you. I get how confusing this might be. Your heart is saying one thing, yet your mind is on another level. It might be time to let those negative Nancy's go. You definitely don't need that type of drama in your life. That relationship that keeps bringing you down and does not align with your highest self might just have to go. Ask yourself, why am I allowing this person to control my emotions? Is it worth to keep them around even though they don't value me and what I have to offer? It may be time to make amends and recognize this relationship for what it is. It might be time to let go if it's no longer serving you. That is all for now, bebecitas, and I hope this video met you at a time when you needed to hear those words. Leave me a sweet comment down below telling me one thing that you are not willing to compromise on, and I could choose you for a Babysitter Shoutout. If you made it this far, thank you so much for listening and for watching. I look forward to the next time we meet again. Until then, I love you and stay blessed. Bye.